really wet. Really wet. Even I can't go outside. Hi guys, so for today's episode, I'll be giving an update with the current situation of my plans with the 2 weeks straight rainy season here in Rizal. Especially this is happening here in Luzon areas. Some parts of Visayas are affected with this habagat thing here in the Philippines. Wow, sad to say, the situation isn't good for plant cables here, so it's a big pain in the ass for us, for plant lovers. Okay, so I'll be touring around today with my plants thriving inside. So this is my northeastern plant. So I have here black mamba, blushing pride, and I believe the red emperor, which are currently on ICU. So ICU, or the method of vacuuming for them to produce more leaf. So yan sila. So pwede naman kayong bigyan ko ng update with regard to the situation after I vacuum those plants. So I have 3 plants in vacuum. So eto sila, yung iba naman. So far here, okay naman sila. So I have my harani, the sexy pink, my cactuses, and also my whale theme and the lucky bamboo plants. So these are rare varieties of caladium, and as you can notice, they are looking for bright bright areas. That's why naggaganyan yung leaves nila. So parang they are facing the window kasi naghahanap sila ng liwanag. That's the natural tendency of a plant pag kulang sila sa sunlight. So yan ang nangyayari sa kanila. So I have also the Dieffenbachia. Also there, the Forever Millionaire, and I have to the Peace Lily. So ito yung nag-face sa aking sorry for that sound. So sila yung nag-face ng aking, okay, so these are my southwestern yan babies. So far they are in good shape. Let me take a look with art. Okay, sila naman okay naman. Those are my hydro plants and also my snake plant. So indoor, they're happy in that position. So they are on top of my mini fridge. So yan yung position niya. Okay, so I'll be showcasing you also to some of the plants here. So these are the Philippine evergreen. So far nag-thriving sila kahit nasa loob, and they are receiving low light. So okay naman sila. Well, this plant, medyo nag-worry ko dito kay green velvet or Nicoletiana, allocation ni Nicoletiana. And I have also here the lucky bamboo plant. So far talagang very in very good shape kasi hindi sila mahirap alagaan. Going back to Nicoletiana, this leaf plant, I just cut the 3 leaves kasi nagarat na, nabulok na din sila. So this one, di ko alam what's going on. I believe spider mites, so I need to apply pesticide or fungicide for this kasi tingnan nyo, dadalawa na lang yung leaves nila. So they are my plants inside my room, so especially in the kitchen area kasi dito nag-receive ng light. So their current situation here is fair enough. So medyo napipale because of absence of the sunlight, but they're fine. So I'll be touring around outside, so you can see the changes I've made for them to survive. Okay? So, lalabas ako. Parang ano na to, garden tour ata. Okay, there we go. So, even home is super basa kasi yung hindi ka naman ako nag-occupy dito. So, currently, my plants are in that position. Yun siya. Ayun. That one is my crib. So, if ever I wanna feel the nature feel, then nasa labas ako. So, that's where I stay. Or I'm staying. So, I'll give you a quick update with it. So, I have a new seedling with chicken feet. So, eto kasi naputol. Ayan. Naputol siya kasi sobrang lakas ni habagat yung hangin niya. And then natangay siya. Bumagsak. Yan, naputol siya. See that one. Ang laki ng katawan niya. Naputol siya. Eto, nalasog-lasog na siya because of the rain and the wind. Okay. So, what can you say about my plants? Diba? As you can notice, they are pale. So, hindi sila nasa position wherein talagang yung location nila is okay kasi okay, I'll give you a sample right after kasi yun yung nangyari kaya that's why binaba ko sila. So see what happened to my I forgot the name. Oh my god, I forgot the ID for this plant. Oh, because of the hindi ko oh my god, kinakain ba sila ng snail? Akala ko nalasog lang sila ng ulan. And I believe it's being eaten by these snails. Oh my god. Kailangan ko siyang ilipat. Ano ba ito? Mga snails kasi, hindi kasi ma-focus eh. This one is a snail. And look at what happened to my red malunggay. So yung mga plants dito is plants ng homeowner dito. So far, they thriving. Ito, akin to. Si Aglaw. So far, they are thriving in best sa ating ulan. So, nakakapag-recuperate sila. And there's no issue with them kasi tolerable yan with the rain. So, here naman guys. Sorry. Tingnan yung hangin, diba? This one, my hanging plant. So, unfortunately, I cannot maibaba sila kasi okay naman sila. Yan o. Nakakalungkot lang. Yan sila. So far, okay naman sila. But this one, so, balik tayo dun sa aking mga plants na nasa baba. Binaba ko siya. So far, okay naman siya. Ito naman, new baby ko to, coming from Tita Yoli. This one from, ito yung kabaon sa akin, Tita Luz, before siya nagpunta sa Middle East. So, ano na lang, diba? Dahil sa hangin, nagkaganyan-ganyan na yung leaves niya. So, kailangan ko siyang ibaba. Okay, mag-ingat ka dyan, Tita. And thank you for this plants. So far, okay naman si aking Lendenai. Some call this one as Lindeni, but yeah, for me it's Lindenii. Lindenii. So ayun, nawala na yung variegations ni Perkins. Ito ang ganda sana ni Wildfire, but then she's not receiving sunlight anymore. So for sure magiging pale na. And my White Christmas, of course, kilala niyo siya. So mahirap maglakad dito. So my very large Syngonium. And also the Millionaire's plant or the Hoya. So we have also the Camouflage, Palladium, Green Velvet, my red, I'm not sure if this Red Majesty or how, okay, I forgot the other one, hindi ko siya na-ID pa, my Sea Hibiscus. So eto, diba, as you can see, naging ano siya yung leaves niya, nag-droop because of the rain. Ang ating Diamondback yan, super ganda. And of course, my caladium, the common caladiums, the Ace of Heart, ang ating Mercury, ang ating Alocasia, okay, this is Alocasia Amazonica, and this one guys, I have a bad news. So far, this is the healthiest plant I have for, tingnan nyo naman yung leaves niya, super laki, and because it's very big, ang nangyari sa kanya is, tingnan nyo, naputol-putol ng hangin. Can I focus this? Yan, putol siya ng hangin. Kaya that's why I put a support. And this is the new leaf. I hope hindi siya maapektuhan sa yung Ace of Heart. Because this is my favorite among Ace of Heart that I have in my collection. So siya yung greatly affected. That's why I put him here sa babang portion. So that if ever magkaroon man ng too much, I don't want it to happen that they are exposed to too much rainwater, and at the same time, yung hangin, no? Tingnan nyo yung hangin. Sobra, as in, malalasog sila. So, let's go to other plants I have here sa table. So far, medyo okay naman sila. Si Forever Millionaire. Ayun. Okay, ang ating what's this? The ZZ plant. And we have also here the Homa Lumena, the Alocasia Corazon. Yeah, Alocasia Corazon, or the Heterophilia. So that's the correct name. Ito, the green Homa, my Lushy Alocasia Cuculata or Calcutta. So this one, oh. So far, okay naman sila here, but they are becoming pale. That's what I've noticed. So, dito tayo sa other position. So, here naman. So, ayan. Si ating Florida Clown is okay naman. Look what happened to ating camouflage palladium. Sobra siyang nayugyog ng wind. That's why, tingnan nyo yung tangkay niya. Yan o. Oh my gosh. It's not. And, si ating black velvet, linabas ko siya. And, she's producing flowers. 2 flowers na siya. Okay, I'll cut this one para makapag-focus siya na mag-produce ng more leaves. So, ayan. Ang ating Jesus heart. Heart of Jesus, I'm sorry. So, si ating Alocasia zebrina, si Alocasia forte, they are so pale. As you can notice, the ace of heart here are very pale kasi they're not receiving enough sunlight. Silver satin. So, yan yung current. What can you say, guys, with my plants as of now? As I observe, nagiging pale lang sila. They're not receiving enough sunlight. So they're not receiving enough sunlight exposure. That's the reason. Nagiging prone sila sa pest. That's what I've noticed. And because of the air, napuputol yung mga tangkay. Isa to sa masyadong na-apektuhan. Okay, let's go back with wildfire. Isa siya sobrang na-apektuhan na halaman ko ng ulan. And diba? Nalulungkot ako. Okay, so these are my southwestern baby. So, kukumustahin natin yung plants ko. Tingnan yung hangin. Di ba? As you can notice, it's very, talagang malakas. The wind is so, it's very talagang malakas. So, kukumustahin natin yung plants ko outside the gate. Tingnan natin sila kung ano bang lagay nila. Alright? Currently, I am outside sa gate wherein located na yung aking mga plants. Some of the plants here. So, yan, si Coleus. We have the tea plant, the cuculata, and also we have the how do we call this? Oh my God, I always forget the name of my plants, especially if I'm making a video. So the Philippine evergreen plant. So ano sila, nagkandalasog-lasog na. So these are my plants outside my gate. Oh! Ano ba? Yes, tita, I'm doing a video. So, ayan, yan yung current kami natin ni tita. Current, situation ng aking si Coleus ko, tingnan mo, lasog-lasog na. It's not healthy anymore for them. Ano bang nangyari sa mga plants? So, ito yung plants ko na nasa labas. So, that's the situation na meron sila ngayon. Okay. So I'm done filming my video outside. So with the current situation of the ongoing habagat season here in the Philippines. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel para maging updated sa aking mga latest videos. Alright, so that's it guys. And I hope you stay dry. It is not so amazing weather. That's it. This is your Plant Man, your tropical sensor AA. There we go. Bye.